How much should you actually spend on an exercise mat for carpet? Because people often grab the cheap ones but end up regretting it. It's a bit interesting how the right choice can make all the difference in your workout comfort. Product number 1, ProSource Fit Puzzle Mat. Let's kick things off with the ProSource Fit Exercise Puzzle Mat. Priced at $49.99, this product immediately caught my eye with its interlocking design and the fact that it covers 48 square feet. If you want durable flooring that protects your carpet while giving you a comfortable workout surface, this is worth a serious look. This mat is made from high-density EVA foam, which means it's not only supportive but also soft enough to cushion your joints during exercises. The protective non-skid surface is crucial for preventing slips when you're pushing your limits. It's designed for versatility too, so whether you're lifting weights or doing yoga, this mat can handle it. With over 60,000 reviews and a solid 4.6-star rating, it's clear that many people trust this mat for their home workouts. Now some people complained about it compressing a bit under heavy equipment, which can create minor surface variations. Here's the thing though, if you primarily use it for exercises on your own body weight or lighter weights, that's not really an issue. So if you need a versatile mat that won't break the bank, this is perfect for you. Skip this one if you're looking for something ultra thick or specifically designed for high-impact activities like jumping. Alright, if the potential compression issue with the ProSource Fit bothered you, the next option takes a completely different approach in terms of thickness. Product number 2, CAP Barbell Folding Mat. Next up is the CAP Barbell All-Purpose Folding Mat, retailing at $30.99. This caught my attention for its impressive 2-inch high-density foam, giving it a plush feel that's perfect for intense workouts. If you want a thick mat that cushions your joints well, this is worth a serious look. This mat is designed for various activities, whether you're doing yoga, gymnastics, or just stretching at home. The thick foam absorbs impact, which is essential if you're prone to joint discomfort. Plus, the foldable design with handles makes it super easy to transport and store. It's rated 4.7 stars from over 2,300 reviews, indicating that users appreciate its quality and convenience. However, some users mentioned that it's a bit heavy to carry around for long distances. But honestly, if you prioritize stability and cushioning during workouts, that extra weight is a small trade-off for the comfort you get. This is an excellent choice if you want a mat that doubles as a gym mat for kids or home workouts. Skip this if you need something that lays flat all the time without any folding. Now, if the folding aspect of the CAP barbell mat didn't appeal to you, the next mat is designed for a more specialized use. Product number 3, ProSource Fit Smaller Puzzle Mat. Coming in at number 3 is another option from ProSource Fit, their smaller exercise puzzle mat priced at $26.99. This version covers 24 square feet and features the same high-density EVA foam as its larger sibling. If you want a more compact solution for your workouts on carpet, this is definitely worth a serious look. Similar to the larger version, this mat provides excellent cushioning and is designed to protect your floors from scratches and damage. It's water-resistant and noise-reducing, which is a huge plus if you're worried about disturbing others while you exercise. With a 4.6-star rating from 60,000 reviews, it's a popular choice among fitness enthusiasts. A downside some users reported is that the individual tiles can shift a bit during high-energy workouts. Here's the thing though, if you're using it for low-impact activities like yoga or Pilates, this isn't likely to be a deal-breaker for you. This is perfect for you if you're looking for something portable and easy to assemble. Skip this if you need a mat that stays put during more vigorous movements though. Alright, if that shifting issue is a concern, the next product may just provide the stability you're after. Product number 4, Cycliclub Bike Mat. At number 4, we have the Cycliclub Bike Mat priced at $28.98. This mat caught my attention because it's designed specifically for exercise bikes and small treadmills. If you're looking to protect your carpet from sweat and scratches, this is worth a serious look. What sets this mat apart is its 6mm thickness, which is significantly more than standard mats. Plus, the anti-slip texture keeps your equipment in place, which is crucial when you're in the middle of a tough workout. With a 4.7-star rating from nearly 2,800 reviews, this mat is clearly well-loved by home gym owners. On the downside, a few users noted a slight smell when first unpacked. But honestly, that's pretty common with new mats and should fade away in a few days. If you need a mat that's easy to clean and versatile enough for various floors, this one is definitely a solid pick. This is perfect for you if you have a stationary bike or treadmill at home. Skip it if you're looking for a general-purpose workout mat, though. Now, if the specialized use of the Cycling Club mat doesn't fit your needs, our final product might just be the answer. Product number 5, Max Gym Mat Set. Finally, we have the Max Gym Mat Set, which comes at a price of $26.99. This set includes 18 interlocking tiles and immediately drew my attention for its customizable floor protection. If you want a flexible solution for your workout space, this is worth a serious look. These EVA foam tiles are lightweight yet durable, making them ideal for various workouts from yoga to weight training. The cushioned surface reduces impact on your joints while being easy to clean. With a rating of 4.4 stars from over 21,500 reviews, it's a popular choice for families and fitness enthusiasts alike. However, some users mention that the tiles can separate during vigorous workouts. Here's the thing, if you're careful during your exercises, this shouldn't be a major issue. Plus, you can always adjust the tiles for a better fit if needed. This set is perfect for you if you want something versatile that can adapt to any workout scenario. Skip this if you need something that's completely solid and unmovable during workouts. Now that we've gone through these options, it's clear that there are plenty of great mats to choose from, depending on your needs. To wrap up, we've covered 5 fantastic exercise mats for carpet. The ProSource Fit Puzzle Mat for durability, the CAP Barbell Folding Mat for thickness and portability, the smaller ProSource Fit Puzzle Mat for compactness, the Cycling Club Bike Mat for specialized use, and the Max Gym Mat Set for versatility. Each one has its strengths, so consider what's most important for your workouts.